to drive and work on these race cars. And here it is, first time side by side with Chris Foster on the left. Wow, Slater left on Foster, an 81 to a 95, and look at Jake charging hard to win it. 545, 291 miles per hour. Oh my. Dell just put his hand over his head because I don't think Dell wanted to run that fast. 545 to 291 miles per hour by 1/10 of a second. Jake Slater powers by Chris Foster. Foster was out of the gates quicker to 60 feet. He was well ahead at 3:30. This would actually be a great race, and I don't know what our situation is in the truck right now, to go back and watch some sort of replay where you could see these cars coming down track, because it is wild when you watch the delta on this. I mean, at half track, Jake Slater is a half second behind Chris Foster and goes charging by him on the big end of the racetrack. Slater did leave first. Foster, he was late, 95. That's dead late in an all-call funny car. Chris will be the first one to tell you. 545-2, Jake Slater to the semis. Here it is. Watch this again. Watch Chris. Now, first off, Jake moves first. Chris is just late. But then look at Chris charge ahead. Right here, he's a car length out. And then here comes Jake Slater, all that speed on the big end to drive by and turn on the wind light. Remember, to 1320, you're not used to seeing a nitro car run to 1,320 feet, right? Jake Slater